Good evening, everyone. Thanks a lot for tuning into the Burning Question on Republic TV. I'm Shivani Gupta. Just what is going on? In many of these states, the Congress had actually not even staked claim. In Manipur, there is a charge that they did not have the support that they went to the governor with. In Bihar, it's not even a comparable situation. So exactly what is the Congress and in Bihar, especially the RJD, trying to do? First up, let's get you up to date with exactly what's the scenario. Take a look. In Bihar, 296 days have passed since the government was formed, and now the Congress has woken up. Let's claim in Bihar. In Goa, it's 425 days, 15 months have passed, and now the Congress is saying they're going to go to the governor because they were the single largest party. Let's also talk about Manipur. 426 days have passed in Manipur as well, almost as much as Goa. Remember, all of these elections were held at the same time. The Congress once again says they were the single largest party. They should be invited now, despite the fact that the government is already in place to form the government. In Meghalaya too, it's 76 days, and now the Congress is once again waking up. So the burning question that we're asking tonight, isn't Congress trying to destabilize many governments, because it seems they've woken up months after governments have already been established in all of these states? And the other question that we must also ask, given that so much time has passed, is the Congress's demand not unfair retrospectively? Can the governor even do anything that the Congress is demanding for? Will it not be unconstitutional? Joining us, we've got Professor Sangeet Ragi. He's a professor and, of course, a political analyst. Amalendu Upadhyay, journalist, joining us. We also have K. Nageshwar Rao, our political analyst who joins us very often, with us. Mr. Nageshwar, let me come to you first. What is the Congress really trying to do? It didn't go for the state claim in Goa. In Manipur, its state claim was rejected. BJP, in fact, said it was fake. What is it really trying to do? Bihar is not even the same situation as it is in Karnataka.
I think the Congress is only trying to have the political optics to prove a point. If single largest party formula is the constitutionally valid formula in Karnataka, why can't it be the valid formula in Goa, Manipur, Meghalaya? Forget about even Bihar. There were historical instances where single largest party was not considered. It was in 1952 in Madras, 1967 in Rajasthan, 1982 in Haryana, earlier in Jharkhand, in 2002 in Jammu Kashmir, in 2013 in Delhi. There are a number of such instances where post-poll coalition was invited. The point here is the objective perhaps of the Congress. Congress should explain. I cannot speak for the Congress, but perhaps the objective is not to destabilize the governments already existing in those states, but prove a point that governors are acting at the behest of the ruling party at the center. The decisions are not taken at the Raj Bhavan. The decisions are taken at the BJP next office.
All right, it's all fair. You're saying this is political optics. All right. Mr. Nageshwar, you're saying this is political optics. You're accepting that, because let me point out, in Goa, as I have already repeated, they did not stake claim. It was a much more fractured verdict. Mr. Ragi, you can come in here. They did not stake claim. In fact, they were criticized heavily for sleeping for 2 days. They thought people will come to them. People didn't go to them. The BJP formed a coalition when?
Shivani, let me make two quick points.
Shivani,
the whole discourse and the whole narrative is being